Hello and welcome to the show. In our earlier combination, we mostly concentrated on combination of two movements. So now gradually we will move to the advanced version of combination, which is combination of 3 movements, combination of 4 movement, 5 and so on. So today we'll be starting the combination of 3 movements. So you can understand we are going to the advanced stages, and the fluidity, the synchronization of combination is very important, and transition from one move to another move is important. So the 3 combination what we are going to do at different angles, and if you see the earlier series of Benity, you can see that we have done a lot of combination. Maybe it's a combination one add from the previous one. So this time what we are going to do is Sandipani, and then we will do a twisting, a 90-degree angle twisting, and then we will do Jamakavartan, and from there we will do the third one, which is Troi. So let's start with Sandipani. We turn 90 degree and then we start Jamakavartan. We finish here, and from this position we start Troi. Today I am using a short stick, not because you can't do it with the proper Benity, just because I am doing it indoors and I have got limited space, so I am using this short stick. So you have to do it with the right size of the Benity, what you normally move. I'll do it once again. Watch the movement, watch the transition, and watch the stepping. And this is from a different angle. Sandipani, turn 90 degree, Jamakavartan, from there watch my stepping when I am starting Troi. So you can see that we started with this angle. We did Jamakavartan with 90-degree angle from the starting position, and then we completed the third one, Troi, and came back to the original position. So it's a beautiful move, and you can see a lot of synchronization, stepping, and transition from one move to another move. Practice it, you'll love the move. Thanks for watching.